Hey everybody, I put up the tree today. Pardon the mess on the side. That's just the box from all the ornaments, and I thought I would show you all my Disney ornaments. And let's see, I'll start from the top. We got Tinkerbell right there. I got an Angel Minnie before because one of my cats died. Her name was Minnie, so I thought it was really cute that there is an Angel Minnie. And here we have Dumbo. And I got these really cute ornaments made off of Etsy. That was my gray fluffy cat named Minnie. And then I had an orange tiger one named Pacey. And I got him. And let's see. We have some old Snoopy ornaments. My husband's a huge Royals fan, so we have some Royals. My birthday's in December, so I have a Mickey Mouse one that one of my best friends got me. And this one right here, my mom actually gave that to me. She claims that it was from the original Mickey Mouse Club, and that was hers when she was little in the 50s or 60s. I don't know. I can't remember, but and I just got that at Kohl's. That's just a plain Mickey one. Here we have Cinderella. And let's see, I have one of the Cinderella castle ornaments that I got at Disney World. And here is the monorail. And we had, when we got married, we got this ornament and it has our wedding date on there. And there's Spaceship Earth. And I actually have Barb from Stranger Things. I got the keychain and I thought it would be cute as an ornament, so I just hung it on the tree. And I actually have this Barbie. It was one of the very first Barbies ever created. My grandma gave it to me. I have it packed in the guest room somewhere, but I always loved that ornament. And I got that at Target a year or two ago. That's super cute. I'm married to a Virginia Tech Hokie, so of course we have Hokie ornaments. And unfortunately, her hand broke off, even though I put it in the same container it came in. But I have the Blue Fairy and Pinocchio. Then we have Mickey playing the piano from Minnie right there. And if you go down, we have Ham from Toy Story, and it actually talks if you press his butt.
Uh-oh, looks like trouble.
And then...
Alright, keep moving. Nothing to see here. You gotta be kidding me.
I think he says one more thing.
I guess I'll just hang around here for a while.
It's so cute. And then I have this Mickey Mouse Halloween ear hat kind of one. And I have a bunch of these kind of light bulbs. I have red, white, and green. And right here I have a Jungle Cruise. I have Pluto kissing Mickey. I have another Mickey one. You gotta have Fantasia Mickey. And then I have the new Fort Wilderness Mickey that one of my friends got me, which is super cute. And this one's probably one of my favorite ornaments I have. It's Figaro from Pinocchio, but I love Disney kitties. And here is another one. This is from the Disneyland 60th. We got an ornament. And there is the Snow White ears hat ornament. Then we have Chip and Dale right there. There's Kylo Ren fighting Superman, and then we have more of a bulb kind of thing. Then down here I have Christmas Bell. And let's see if I have any on the bottom. Oh, I have the Epcot 35th ornament that I got this year. Then we have the 40th ornament for Magic Kingdom. And of course I have the Tree of Life. And we went to Marceline 2 years ago, or maybe it was last fall. And I got a Marceline from the Walt Disney's Hometown Museum. And everyone misses the MGM ears, and I have those right there. And let's see, what else? I think that might be it. Oh, here's some Santa. Oh, I put it on backwards. Santa Mickey ears. And there is Sleeping Beauty right there. And I think that is it for my tree. Oh wait, I haven't put the topper on yet, but I'll show it to you. I have to wait for my husband to get home, but this is our topper. It's super freaking cute. It just has that right there, and it's really sparkly. It's made of good material, and it's super cute. And please let me know what your favorite ornaments are that you have for your tree that are Disney. Thanks, and remember, subscribe. Bye.